Here is Bionic Reading app. You can go to bionicreading.com, and this is the viral new trend. Basically, this app transform your text into this kind of into this text where parts of the words are transformed with bold and just parts of the word are more bolder. Why would you do that? So yeah, just try to read this paragraph and you will see that actually if you're like focused, you can read it faster than just a normal paragraph without these bold parts. So that's pretty cool technique which helps you to focus more and to get more reading done at much faster time. So as a result, the reader is only focusing on the highlighted initial letters and lets the brain center complete the word. In a digital world dominated by shallow forms reading, Bionic Reading aims to encourage a more in-depth reading and understanding on written content. So but which apps are supporting this? So first of all, there is like Bionic Reading API, which app developers can use. So it seems there will be many apps which are supporting that. Then you can use Bionic Reading Converter, where you can just enter some text or drop some TXT, Microsoft Word or EPUB document, even the whole books, and transform that to this Bionic mode. And then at the moment there are like these three apps which are officially supported. So there is Reader 5 app, which is one of the most famous like RSS reader apps. So you can get it here, but it's like $4.99. And this is how it looks like. So it has dark mode as well with Bionic Reading. So this is what you will see if you subscribe to some newsletter or some blog. This is what's the Bionic Reading here. But again, this app is paid. Then there is app which is called Fiery Feeds. This one is free. And you can get Bionic Reading for free here. You don't need to upgrade anything. You don't need to subscribe. You just need to enable Bionic Reading in settings, and then this is how it will look like. So you'll have Bionic Reading enabled, and you don't need to upgrade. So that's that. And then there is app which is called Lyre RSS Reader, which you can also discover. And this is the app here, where you can also have Bionic Reading. So these are the moment three apps. Of course, you can also use a Bionic Converter, and if you're app developer, you can use Bionic Reading API. But this feature is really getting traction. A lot of bloggers are mentioning it, and it's really amazing. So yep, a cool feature. Try it out.